Hello YouTube, it's Bar Double R here. Been a little behind. I've actually taken footage. I try to stay a couple weeks ahead, but had technical difficulties when I went to put it together and to try to get it off my phone. And anyway, it's probably not technical, it's probably just operator error, but I'm gonna say technical makes me feel better. Anyway, I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And spend time with your family. Stay safe, but you never know. So visit your loved ones, visit your friends, and don't be afraid to hug them, even though might catch the COVIDs. But hug them. Might be the last time. And anyway, got some stuff coming down the pipeline. Nothing extravagant, just normal stuff, but gonna film ahead and try to stay ahead of stuff so that I can release at least one a week, which is my goal. Didn't quite make it. I think I'm about a week behind right now, but you're about to get like 2 weeks worth of I've got a bunch of little clips of here and there, and I was waiting for this to get more video, and anyway, that's where I'm at. So with any luck, I can download this tonight and put it in the front of the other videos that I'm kind of splicing into this, and have video. Anyway, please like and subscribe. What you're about to see is some baby goats that we had here. I guess it's been about a month ago now. And I've got pictures of them at about 2 weeks and so on, and some little bit of video footage and a few things like that. Just kind of regular farm life while I'm feeding. A little bit of, I think there's a little bit of four-wheeler. I'll have to look through it again, but I think there's a little bit of four-wheeler footage, but I'm trying to keep that down to a minimum because I don't want anybody to throw up, because it is hard to watch, man. Part of it's me because I'm looking around, so if it's on my head, I gotta stay focused and stay forward and move slowly to the left and slowly to the right, not quick. Anyway, stuff I'm learning along the way. And again, when I can, I'm gonna get a GoPro that will take all that out. If I can find another camera that has as good of, because all I'm worried about is the vibration. I think it's ESD or whatever. If any of y'all know what I can get that will have comparable vibration, I'd like to be able to do more footage with me on my four-wheeler, because my dog runs in front of me and we're checking fence and all that, and I could have to cut a lot of it out, but there's still some interesting stuff in there that I think y'all would like. Another thing, while we're talking about equipment, I'm wanting to get where I can video through my scope, so that I can take some video. Like I want to take y'all hunting with me. In fact, probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so and I think it's supposed to rain Friday, so probably Saturday or Sunday I plan on going hunting, and gonna at least take you for the ride. I'll film a little bit through here and there, but I'm not gonna film the whole thing because, well, you would fall asleep, and I don't want that. So I'll film the good stuff or chop it out or whatever. I won't waste your time with that. It's whitetail season, obviously, and I haven't hunted. I've owned this land for over 5 years and have not hunted but maybe a couple of hours, if that. Probably more like 30 minutes. So something I need to do. So anyway, if you don't like cuteness and little baby animals and stuff, well, then you just stop watching right here and have a happy Thanksgiving, and please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell and all that good stuff. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Hey YouTube, Bar Double R here. Well, today's been an eventful day. I got my wife called me, and we'd had a surprise. So I had to come home from work, and what was going on is we had a baby, and our livestock guard dog was being overly protective. cleaned him up, and then wouldn't let the mom nurse the baby, and the baby was really wanting to nurse. It's a good, healthy baby. So anyway, came home. We lured the guard dog into a pen by itself, and then we moved the mama into a pen by herself with the baby. I think she's gonna have another one, maybe. We'll see. She may or may not have another baby, but only time will tell. We'll know by tomorrow. But here's the little baby right here, just a day old, just born this morning. Sorry about the graphic contact on the end. We'll try to keep that out of that. But the baby, nice and healthy. It's a little Billy, looking pretty good for a little baby. Already trying to play, even though he's not coordinated enough to play. It's kind of funny. And you can see Mama's doing good too. She's doing all right. Everybody's wanting to get to her feed because she's got feed, and everybody else has already had theirs. Even old Bully over there. Hey, buddy. Anyway, everybody wants to come over here. Anyway, some good news is we caught the little black and white Billy that I was trying to catch the other day, which you haven't seen that footage yet. That'll be, hopefully I'll post that before I post this, at least the excerpt where I missed the Billy. I'll show that at the end of this tape. I'll show us catching it and me trying the other day, and because the rest of it, until I can get some better equipment like a GoPro or something, everything shakes enough. Just me walking with it. I had a chest cam on yesterday. Today I'm trying a head cam. We'll see how this turns out. But it was so nauseating. I mean, you couldn't watch because it was bouncing up and down and just made you motion sick. So like I said, we'll cut and chop that one up, even though I had like 30 minutes of footage, and go from there. Anyway, that's all I got for today. I'm about to go throw some hay to them and stuff. We didn't let them out today, and if anything else exciting happens, I'll turn it back on. But anyway, y'all have a good day, and I'll be, guard dog's not liking this. Bo, relax. He's wanting in there with that baby. He's very protective. He will stay by the babies. I've had, not this one, but a different one, stay by the babies when they were left out, like the mom left them behind, and the dog stayed with the babies and kept them alive through the night. And then the next morning we saw him. So, hey buddy, it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. Anyway, there she is again. Let's see if she got some hay, got some minerals, and she just ate. All right, thanks YouTube, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Please like and subscribe, because if you like and subscribe, I can make a little money, get better equipment. Thanks. Bye. Here's another surprise today. I knew it was getting close. Mama's got a new addition, and it's another Billy. Alright. Yeah, and hopefully she'll have another. We'll see. We'll see. We'll be more on that tomorrow, later. Well, yeah. get that new mama some feed. I always like to give them some. She's a good mama. We may have to we're gonna give her some. Here, mama. Here, mama. Hey YouTube, I'm just taking a little quick clip. You can see, well, now the dogs are getting away. This little guy is going to be a bruiser. Look how stocky he is. He's only 2 weeks old, I think. I have to look. But he's already catching up to that other one, which is a good week or two older. Gus, move, buddy. Well, this is not going well. Anyway, he's skinny. Still got some pretty decent muscle mass. But this guy is gonna be massive, I think. Yeah. Hey YouTube, it's Bar Double R here. I'm got a little Billy. The little first Billy is missing, and I'm in the process of looking for him. I'm not gonna film the whole time, but I want to get this going. If in case I did find him alive, that would be awesome. If not, well, then you'll probably not see this. Maybe, we'll see. Anyway, talk to you later. I'll get back to you. Bye. YouTube, found the baby. He was taking a nap, and mom's a terrible mom, and she left him behind. So number 36 may be out of here. We'll see. I'll have more later. Bye.